Hello, good morning. Tayo mag-graduate man ang baliday sa iyang associate degree. Let's go Cebu. Nag-commute na kami doon. Nag-bus-bus kami. 200 pesos lang. Kag 160 lang ang students. Tara na.
For Cebu, graduation ni Madam. Yuhu!
Kag syempre, bit-bit pa naman ang pabukay para kay Cristiano. Duwa sila nag-graduate sa Ella nga mga friendship. Sige da, naglupad kami. Bahala, mahal ang ticket. Kag-ari na kami sa venue. Tara na, nagpa-register na kita. Ka nagkuha na tasang wristband nila, no? As a guest, nara, gitakod pa. Thank you so much.
Program in avionics. Guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, the People's Governor, Governor Pamela S. Bonifacio. Nassau from left to right. Congratulations.
31 candidates for associate in avionics technology.
Avionics Technology. Emora by Angela.
Graduated in Indiana Aerospace University. With by solid degrees. Throughout all the noble traditions of our alma mater. And to bring honor and glory to their name. By working with utmost effort, efficiency and integrity. And valuing ourselves as university.
2026. Fly high, Indiana. Soar high! IAU gives you wings to fly. Fly high, Indiana. Soar high!
Congratulations, Badide and Trisha. Sa mga friends wala nakag-graduate, may next time pa. Diretso na kayo mag-celebrate sa Monico sa may
Kaya nasa
SM.
Monico, si Madam nag-graduate. Parang si Chris nag-graduate man si Chris. With the family, si Mami niya, na brother. Naman to, wag yung beef ko. Oo, wag yung beef. Ayan na yung ating food. May tigluto ko dere. Si Madam nag-graduate. Congratulations, Badida!